video. It was, see, I was trying to get her started, and I checked everything. She's getting fuel. She has good spark. Actually, an extra spark plug right there. I might actually try that in this video. And yep. And there's that, and put my finger on around the idle tensioner. I'll look at that stuff later near the end of the summer, because summer actually just started where I live, or not just started a week or two ago. Hey, no, last week. And here's what I'm trying to do. She got everything good. That's good. That's good. Everything's good. She's making efforts, but she's not starting. That's what I'm kind of worried about here. But as you can see, I got a new box on my skidoo, or really already got. I got a new box on her. And you may be thinking, hey, wasn't that on the Venture? Yes, it was. Switched it over. My uncle never really liked it, so he just said, you can have it. So I put on my skidoo. So everything is good on her. Well, except down there. Down there, it's not its best. See that? You might not have the best view, but I'll shove my phone down there. Where is it? You're being covered by a wire. Yep, you see that little silver piece of metal over there? That little silver piece of metal that you just saw. That's from where it broke. But we got tons of parts for her, so we don't have to worry about that really. Just in the wintertime or in the summertime, just hook up quad back there and drag her out to in the shed, so I can get working on her, or my uncle might help me. Yep, can't forget to do that. And so I went to, not my uncle as in the one that owns the Venture, a different uncle that owns a farm called Jake's Farm. And so when I was camping up there, I brought my quad up there, but got me helmet, so never got a chance to ride her. And me and my family are going on another camping trip, so we are just going. So I just left my quad there. So yeah. One last try, boys. One last try. All right. That was a bona fide try. All right, now I'm gonna get really serious here. My skidoo, it's a good skidoo. It's a nice skidoo. But seriously though, I'm still trying to find out why isn't she starting. If you got any ideas why, just put them down in the comments. Wait, you know what? Did I just hear thunder? Yeah, guys, I'll save checking the spark plugs again next time.